Do you want to learn the secrets to building wealth and financial freedom? Look no further than The Psychology of Money, written by the brilliant Morgan Housel, a fascinating book filled with 18 critical lessons that will change the way you think about money forever. Welcome to Beginner's Friend. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of personal finance and wealth building. Money has always been a fascinating subject, but have you ever considered the psychology behind it? That's where Morgan Housel's book, The Psychology of Money, comes in. Mastering the psychology of money is crucial in today's highly competitive world. It not only helps us make better financial decisions, but also contributes to our overall growth and mental strength. So, grab your notebook and get ready to learn 18 important lessons that can transform your perspective on money and success. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Lesson number 1: Time and patience are your greatest allies. Lesson number 1 is a timeless gem. Through compelling examples and stories, Morgan Housel shows us the importance of being patient and embracing the long-term perspective. Whether it's investing or building a business, allowing time to work its magic can lead to incredible outcomes. The book emphasizes that the most critical asset we have in building wealth is time. By investing early and staying in the market for the long term, we can take advantage of compounding returns and let time work its magic. Time is a finite resource, and we should use it wisely to make the most of our financial decisions. We live in an age of instant gratification, where we want quick results. It's not about timing the market or picking the right stocks. It's about starting early and being consistent. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. In fact, as Housel points out, if you start investing just 10 years earlier, you could end up with twice as much money at retirement. And the more consistent you are with your investments, the more you'll benefit from that compounding over time. However, successful investing and money management require a long-term perspective. By understanding the power of compounding and adopting a patient approach, you can set yourself up for long-term success. Lesson number 2: Control your emotions to avoid costly mistakes. Lesson 2 explores the turbulent ride of emotions we go through when it comes to money. This captivating chapter reveals how our feelings often sway our financial choices, leading us to make illogical decisions. It emphasizes the importance of recognizing our own biases, fears, and desires, as they play a significant role in steering us away from impulsive actions that can damage our financial stability. Fear and greed are powerful forces that can drive us to costly errors, like hastily selling during market downturns, or chasing after risky investments. However, by nurturing our emotional intelligence and maintaining a balanced mindset, we can make wiser choices that align with our long-term objectives. The book serves as a valuable reminder to keep our emotions in check and adopt a disciplined approach to investing. By doing so, we safeguard ourselves against impulsive decisions that could potentially undermine our financial well-being. Lesson number 3: The importance of saving. Sounds simple, right? But Housel emphasizes that saving is not just about setting money aside. It's about understanding the power of compounding and delayed gratification. Housel argues that the most important factor in accumulating wealth is simply not spending more money than you earn. The book emphasizes that it's not just about how much money we make, but how much money we keep. You can have a high income and still be broke if you don't manage your money wisely. By practicing disciplined saving habits and living within your means, we can create a solid foundation for financial security and future opportunities. Remember, by consistently saving even small amounts, you can harness the magic of compound interest, which can significantly grow your wealth over time. Lesson number 4: Be aware of your financial behavior. Understanding your financial behavior is crucial for making better financial decisions. The book emphasizes the significance of being aware of biases like fear and greed, and how they can affect your financial decisions. Housel also highlights that our financial success is not solely determined by our investment decisions, but also by our behavior. Understanding the psychology behind money can assist us in making rational decisions, avoiding impulsive behavior, and developing healthy financial habits. By living below your means and avoiding unnecessary expenses, you can grant yourself more financial freedom and flexibility. This can be especially valuable during times of economic uncertainty, as having a financial cushion can help you weather the storm. Remember, being mindful of your behavior can enable you to make rational decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Lesson number 5. The role of luck in success and failure. Lesson 5 challenges our traditional ideas about success and failure. Housel enlightens us about the significant influence luck has on our financial outcomes, and realizing this can guide us in making better choices. The book questions the common belief that success is solely achieved through individual brilliance or hard work. While our personal decisions do matter, luck also plays a vital role. Embracing this notion allows us to cultivate humility and empathy towards others, enabling us to navigate the realm of money with greater understanding and kindness. Often, we attribute success only to our skills or intelligence, but luck also contributes. By comprehending this, we can avoid falling into the trap of thinking that our accomplishments are solely the product of our own efforts. Instead, we can stay modest and grateful for the opportunities we have received. This mindset helps us remain open-minded when evaluating our achievements and understanding the circumstances of others. Remember, by acknowledging the role of luck, we can steer clear of overconfidence, stay grounded, and approach both successes and failures with a balanced perspective. Lesson number 6. Understand the difference between risk and uncertainty. Lesson number 6 delves into the contrast between risk and uncertainty. Risk is something we can measure and control by diversifying our investments and analyzing them carefully. On the other hand, uncertainty is unpredictable and requires a different approach. It's vital to grasp this difference in order to make smart investment choices. The book emphasizes the significance of recognizing uncertainty and being ready for unexpected events. When we understand this disparity, we can make well-informed decisions and navigate through uncertain times more effectively. The main lesson to remember is that we often confuse uncertainty with risk, which can result in making unwise investment decisions. The book discusses how taking calculated risks can lead to substantial rewards, but it's essential to conduct thorough research and make informed choices. Lesson number 7. Expectation management. Housel offers valuable insights into how our expectations influence our financial decisions and overall happiness. Frequently, we find ourselves trapped by unrealistic expectations, which arise from societal pressures or comparing ourselves to others. Housel motivates us to prioritize our personal goals and harmonize our expectations with what is realistically attainable. This approach helps us evade needless stress and enables us to make sounder financial decisions. Lesson number 8. Risk and reward are directly proportional. The 8th lesson from the book emphasizes the connection between risk and reward. It explains that when you take higher risks, you have the potential for greater rewards. However, it's important to note that there are no completely risk-free investments. The author, Housel, further emphasizes the significance of focusing on the process rather than just the outcome. By concentrating on the outcome alone, we tend to take unnecessary risks and make irrational decisions. On the other hand, when we prioritize the process, we make rational decisions and can adhere to our plan more effectively. The book advises us to strike a balance between risk and reward and to diversify our portfolio in order to manage risk more effectively. Lesson number 9. The importance of planning for the unexpected. Lesson 9 highlights the crucial role of preparing for the unexpected. Life is a roller coaster, filled with delightful surprises as well as challenging ones. It's essential to stay ready for whatever comes our way, because it can truly change everything. Financial catastrophes can take various shapes, such as overwhelming debt, lack of an emergency fund, or investing in unfamiliar territories. By acknowledging these potential disasters and proactively taking measures to steer clear of them, we can safeguard our financial stability. The book not only motivates us to establish a safety net for our finances, but also emphasizes the significance of maintaining an emergency fund and protecting ourselves, as well as our loved ones, through comprehensive insurance coverage. Lesson number 10, the importance of simplicity in investing. Another important lesson from the book is the value of simplicity when it comes to investing. The book emphasizes that complexity often causes confusion, while simplicity brings clarity. By concentrating on straightforward strategies and steering clear of unnecessary complexity, we can make wiser financial choices and decrease the likelihood of costly errors. Housel argues that the most prosperous investors are often the ones who keep things simple and avoid complicated investment strategies. So remember, by focusing on the fundamentals and staying disciplined, you can attain impressive returns in the long run. Lesson number 11. Understand the true value of money and your own relationship with it. The book highlights the real worth of money, focusing on its power beyond mere accumulation. It's not about the quantity you possess, but rather what it enables you to achieve. Money acts as a versatile tool, capable of assisting us in reaching our goals and living the life we desire. However, it should not be mistaken as the ultimate objective. Recognizing the genuine value of money allows us to prioritize our expenses wisely and make conscious financial choices. Each one of us holds unique beliefs, biases, and behaviors when it comes to money, and comprehending these aspects aids us in making smarter financial decisions while avoiding common pitfalls. Lesson number 12. Avoid debt as much as possible. Another crucial lesson from the book is the importance of steering clear of debt whenever you can. Debt can restrain your progress and make it more challenging to accumulate wealth. The book emphasizes that debt can restrict our financial freedom and act as a significant barrier to accomplishing our financial aspirations. It advises us to stay away from high-interest debt and prioritize paying off any debts as soon as possible. Additionally, Housel highlighted how debt can trap you in a never-ending cycle, making it difficult to make financial progress. Always remember, it's essential to live within your means and avoid unnecessary debt to achieve long-term financial success. Lesson number 13, the power of compounding. Housel uncovers the remarkable power of compounding. The book reveals that starting to invest early gives your money more time to flourish. Compounding occurs when your money earns interest on top of previously earned interest, and the longer you invest, the more it compounds, leading to greater wealth. By reinvesting your earnings and staying invested for the long term, you can achieve impressive returns over time. However, compounding isn't limited to finances alone. It applies to various areas of life, such as knowledge, relationships, and skills. By consistently investing in yourself, acquiring knowledge, and cultivating meaningful connections, you can experience remarkable growth. Remember, compounding principle is truly transformative, enabling you to build wealth and achieve success on a whole new level. Lesson number 14, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. In a world where everyone seeks instant success and fast riches, Housel reminds us that real wealth is not created overnight. It is constructed through patience, self-control, and unwavering dedication. This book emphasizes the significance of adopting a long-term perspective when it comes to wealth accumulation. While it's impossible to become rich quickly, it is achievable to build wealth gradually by staying disciplined and remaining committed to your goals. The book discusses how the most prosperous investors are those who adhere to their strategies and avoid being swayed by temporary market fluctuations. Remember, by prioritizing the process rather than short-lived gains, we can attain lasting financial triumph. Lesson number 15. Avoid the comparison trap and focus on your own goals. Lesson 15 brings us face to face with our deep-seated fascination with wealth and superficiality in society. Morgan Housel reminds us that real wealth doesn't revolve around flaunting expensive cars or extravagant mansions. It's all about attaining financial security and freedom. In today's digital era, it's effortless to compare ourselves with others and feel dissatisfied with our own achievements, leading to unwise financial choices. The psychology of money encourages us to establish our own financial aspirations, harmonize them with our personal values, and concentrate on our distinct path towards achievement. Remember, your journey is exceptional and worth cherishing. Lesson number 16. The value of flexibility and diversification. Lesson 16 highlights the significance of adaptability in a constantly changing financial world. In a world that is always evolving, being adaptable is extremely important. The book emphasizes that our financial plans should be flexible enough to accommodate change, as rigid strategies may not withstand unforeseen circumstances. Diversification, which means spreading investments across various assets, plays a crucial role in minimizing risk. By diversifying investments, you can reduce your exposure to a single asset or market, thus increasing the likelihood of consistent returns over time. Remember, by embracing flexibility and diversification, we can adapt, adjust, and seize new opportunities as they come our way. Lesson number 17. Build a resilient mindset to navigate financial setbacks. Lesson number 17 serves as a vivid reminder that setbacks play a crucial role in our financial journey. This eye-opening book motivates us to cultivate a resilient mindset and view failures as golden chances for valuable growth. By bouncing back from setbacks and adjusting to changes, we not only become stronger, but also acquire the essential skills to confidently tackle future challenges. Let's embark on this life-changing journey, embracing every setback as an opportunity to learn and emerge even stronger than before. Lesson number 18. The connection between money and happiness. And finally, in Lesson 18, we dive into the fascinating link between money and happiness. This chapter serves as a gentle reminder that money holds significance, yet it doesn't hold all the keys to our happiness. What truly matters are the freedom and security that money can bring. The book wisely guides us to concentrate on the things that bring us genuine joy, rather than mistakenly connecting material possessions with happiness. By aligning our financial goals with our values and valuing experiences over possessions, we unlock a pathway to find even more fulfillment and joy in our lives. Remember, mastering the psychology of money is not a one-time task, but a lifelong journey. So, grab a copy of the book, dive deeper into these lessons, and apply them in your daily life. And watch this video to discover the 13 powerful steps that can help you shift your mindset and unlock the key to achieving true wealth and financial freedom.